What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how it is not easy to become successful and how it takes a lot of hard work and how it is very trying to actually make something of yourself. So if you're looking for some motivation, or if you're looking for the reality of what it's actually going to take, the brute force and the actual effort and the actual trials and tribulations you're going to have to go through in order to be successful, this video is for you. This video is going to be value packed, so make sure you watch the whole thing. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit the red button and subscribe. It helps me reach more people, so I'd really appreciate it if you go subscribe. But with that being said, let's get right into it. So I've been making many more videos like this where I simply sit here and talk to you about my experiences in life, going through from being 16 years old and not ever doing business to being a millionaire by 18 years old and building a 7-figure business. I'm now 21 years old. I've had a lot of success. I don't know it all. I don't have it all figured out. I'm still getting better just like everybody else. I have some advice for you, and I have some of my experience to talk about. You can take my advice or you can leave it. I just want to sit here and chat with you. So if you guys have liked these videos, that's great, because I like them and I want to keep making them so that way I can keep talking to you guys and keep just giving you what's on my mind. So I made a video a few weeks ago about the difference between being successful and failing, and I just filmed a video before this one about becoming rather than chasing, and how you need to become in order to attract the things that you actually want into your life. And that's the secret to everything. And now I want to talk about how it's not easy. None of this is easy, okay? Everything worth having in life doesn't come easy. And that's something you need to remember, because anything that is worth having isn't easy to attain, okay? Anything quick, anything fast in this life is not worth it. And it's a scam, and it's probably a negative vice, or it's going to lead you down the wrong path, or things like that. You need to keep that in mind. It's a marathon, not a sprint, okay? And it's about the journey. It's about enjoying the journey. And the journey is actually what gives the end result its value. For example, a lot of you guys that watch my channel are interested in real estate, in wholesaling real estate. If I decided today for the first time that I want to wholesale real estate, and the next day I get my first deal, all that intrinsic value of that deal, of that business model, of it all, just completely got diminished. Completely diminished itself, because it's about the journey. It's about the struggle to get that first deal. It took me 8 months to get my first wholesale deal. I can tell you, if I got my first wholesale deal in a month or less, I would not be successful like I am today. I would have not gone on to make millions of dollars wholesaling real estate. If it was easy to get my first deal, I would have never become this successful. You want to know why? Because becoming this successful was not easy at all. Was not easy at all. None of it is easy. Nothing in this life worth having is easy. Everything that is good, everything you want to attain, is hard to get. That's what builds its value. And so simply, if I got my first deal very fast, all of its intrinsic value would have been lost. All my grit, all my determination would have been lost. I wouldn't have built my stress tolerance. I wouldn't have built that callus of the ability to continue to try every day while continuing to fail, while getting tired, while getting no after no, while things not working out. I wouldn't have built that callus, that thick skin. I needed that callus. I needed that thick skin in order to become this successful. So thank God it took me so long to get my first break, because that first break, the whole journey leading up to it, built me all the attributes that I needed in order to become way more successful. So that's what I want you to know. I want you to remember and keep on the front of your mind that the harder it is, the better. That struggle is good. That losses are lessons. Okay? These are what build you, and these are what evolve you into the next level. And this evolution allows those further blessings to come into your life. Okay? Guys, I've made millions of dollars, and I've lost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Hundreds of thousands of dollars I've lost in business. Okay? And I'm not talking about losing a deal that I wasn't paid for. I'm talking about money that I made that was in the bank that I simply had issues arise and have to throw money in the garbage can, in the fire, trash it. I've lost hundreds of thousands of dollars that I made. It was in the bank, and I simply, problems happen, business happens, the world's not a fair place, right? The world's not a fair place, and I've lost hundreds of thousands of dollars defending my business, defending myself, becoming successful, right? And it hasn't been easy. Okay? Attaining the wealth is one thing. It's not easy, right? Attaining the success, it's not easy. Getting it in the first place. Now when we talk about retaining your success, staying where you're at, not losing it all. Retaining your success is just as hard. And that's because everything in this life worth having does not come easy. Remember this. If it was so easy to make the money, right? If it was so easy, I wouldn't have built the strength. I wouldn't have built the thick skin to handle losing hundreds of thousands of dollars in order to remain successful, right? I needed the struggle. I needed the journey of becoming successful, the struggle, the grit, the grind, in order to build me into the person that I needed to be for when I needed to protect what I had done, to continue my success. I needed that thick skin to be able to lose hundreds of thousands, keep running a business, remain being massively successful, continuing bettering myself every single day. It's that journey. It's that realization that everything is difficult. Everything good is difficult. You want to go to the gym and become successful in the gym? You want to gain weight? You want to work out? It's going to be extremely challenging. Extremely challenging. This is why when you look around at the world, 90% of the people around that you see, they don't have what you want. They're simply stuck in the rat race. They can't break free. They can't break free. They cannot break free. And it's because they don't have what it takes. They don't realize that everything worth having doesn't come easy. So these people that are stuck in the race of and not progressing and they don't have what you want, it's because they fold. They fold to everything that's easy. All the vices, smoking, drinking, overeating, not working out, chilling on the couch, not becoming successful, letting down everybody in their family, letting down their wife, letting down their kids, letting down everybody, not being the fucking knight in shining armor. It's because they want it the easy way. They want it the easy way. And then what do they have? Mediocrity. I can't say that word. They have a subpar life. They have a subpar life. You cannot expect extraordinary results and extraordinary success by putting in ordinary efforts. If you want to be extraordinary, you want to have extraordinary success, you're going to have to be putting in those massive efforts. You need to be different than the norm. Don't do what ordinary people do. You got to do the opposite, and that's how you become successful. That's how you become something that's actually worth being. So that is my advice for you guys today. I need you to understand and realize that nothing in this life worth having comes easy. You're going to have to put in massive amounts of hard work. You are going to have to stay determined. You're going to have to make that promise to yourself, that commitment to yourself, to continue putting in the effort every single day and never, ever giving up. Because it isn't just about you. It isn't just about you. It's about you, your family, your loved ones, your wife, your kids, all the things. All the people that look up to you, it's about them too. And so you need to not give up. And you got to understand that for them, for yourself, the things that actually are going to be worthwhile are not going to be easy. And understand that you are going to put in those extraordinary efforts in order to have extraordinary results. I trust in you that you are going to do this. I trust in you that you are going to become massively successful. There is nothing different about me than you watching this video. I literally just put in all the work, all the efforts that nobody else is willing to do. Do the things that people aren't willing to do, you'll end up like me. There's nothing special about me. Guys, again, take my advice or leave it. I've had a little bit of success in my life. I'm 21 years old. I don't have it figured out. I don't know it all. This is just the thoughts on my mind of how I think and how I feel about how the world works. And that's it. So just remember, life ain't fair. So you got to work hard to defy everything that's going to keep pulling you down. Just get after it, man. You'll make it happen. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below and subscribe. And also, if you like these videos of me just talking to you about what I think about business and how life works, make sure you comment down below that you want me to make more videos like this. But other than that, I will see you guys next time. Peace.